We get to the point like you were talking about with you, or, people get to the point where I'm just lethargic. I'm just depressed. I don't have the energy to go and do anything. And I think Zach mentioned something about that before, and that it's not their fault. The fault is that when we don't get rid of the garbage in our cells and get the better turnover, we lack energy. And one of the great things when you were talking about methylene blue and what you had discovered is that when you started taking that, you had more energy, more brain power. It's because one of the great things about methylene blue, it gives you the ability to oxygenate. So we're getting cellular oxygenation, which is what our brain needs, and energy. And so at rest, our brain takes 30% of our oxygen, 30% of our energy. So if it's not getting it, guess what? Yeah, we're not going to get out of that depression. You're stuck. And then, so with that and getting mitochondria, a new mitochondria, which we'll talk about in a minute, jump-starting existing, so it has what it needs, and getting rid of the old stuff and sloughing that out so it's not getting a buildup of sludge,
right,
or actually that carbon monoxide. Every cell, as we talked about, needs energy, it needs food, it needs oxygen, and it has waste. And where does that waste go? If it doesn't go through there and through the lymph of the brain, it's stuck in there.
Yeah.
And we don't have it, and you wonder why, man, why am I depressed? Why is that guy happy and I'm not? Is my life that bad? It's not. We're not getting rid of the garbage out of our system. It's just not there. It's biogenesis of new cells. We added NAD with PQQ, which is a great, which it really starts for biogenesis of new cells. So now we're jump-starting our process of new mitochondria. We're actually jump-starting what we have for our existing cells, and then using a spermidine, which is actually great for, guess what? Getting rid of senescent cells, bad dead cells. And now you have a full circle